Hello everyone, this is Krishna. I'm just going to show you a few alternatives to Microsoft Office. So I had a friend of mine who purchased a new computer, and she wanted to transfer the license that she had on her old computer to the new one, or if that was not possible, she wanted to transfer the license of Microsoft Office, right? So she wanted to transfer the license to the new computer, or if that was not possible, she was gonna purchase a new license of Microsoft Office. After talking with her, asking her a few questions, I actually realized that she did not need to go full blown into Microsoft Office, and I gave her a few recommendations that I'm gonna give you here. So when you purchase a Mac, you have a few software that comes that allow you to do the same function that you would do on Microsoft Office. So you have Pages, Numbers, and Keynote that you see over here. So Pages will be for Word, Numbers will be for Excel, and Keynote will be for PowerPoint. They do work. So over here I have Pages open. They do work. The structure is a little bit different. Apple as well, sometimes the way they make their software, they're trying to go for simplicity. But for some other people that are already used um, to the Microsoft Office suite, they might not be willing to have something that is quite different. So another option that I think that's the best alternative, the best option for a lot of people would be to use Google Drive. So Google Drive is comes with every Gmail account. It is free and basically allows you to open and work on documents that are similar to the one on Microsoft Office. So one of the advantages, the two main key points of Google Drive is you can collaborate with other people on documents. So if you have a document open, you can have your friends work on the document at the same time as you. And the other thing as well that I really like is the storage or the backup function. So he acts as a backup online uh, as a cloud document. So over here you have 15 gigabytes that are given to every Gmail account, but you can purchase more. On one of my other Gmail account, I have about 2 terabytes or more around there. So just depending on the usage, for most people, that's probably a little bit more than enough. But you have different options that you can choose there if you decide to purchase more storage. So if you want to open a new document to work on, you will come here, create a folder, or you can upload documents or upload a folder, and those are the functions that we need over here. So Google Docs would be for Microsoft Word, the equivalent, Google Sheets for Excel, and Google Slides for PowerPoint. All right. So over here, if we come here, we can either create a blank document or we can create a document from a template. So if I create a blank document, I just come here, click here, and I have my document here ready to go. The menu bar that is here, I would say this menu bar is more than enough for what we need. I would say 95% of the population of people would be more than happy with what it offers. Maybe another 5% would that are maybe hardcore, or that are really looking for specific functions will need to go with Microsoft Office Suite. But for most people, what you have here will allow you to do everything that you need to do. Right? So this is how you open a new document from scratch, from a blank document. We can also come here and open one from a template, and we have different options here that we can go and choose from. Or if we want, we also can open just a blank document from here. So this is what I will recommend. I have two more options I want to show you, but this is my favorite one. This one would be the best I will recommend. But if you still want to have a way for you to open documents on your computer, you have LibreOffice and you have OpenOffice. So those two are open source projects. They are gonna allow you to do most of the functions as well that you can do on Microsoft Office Suite. They save the files in a different format, but they're gonna allow you to export it into the Microsoft Office format. Though sometimes you might see some discrepancies here and there, but overall it's gonna get you going fairly quickly. And the way you go about it, if you want to download it, you just come here, download, select what computer you have, and you're good to go. You go from there. So those would be the recommendations. That's what I recommended to my friend, and this is what I'm gonna recommend to you. For me, I thought that most people would be familiar with it, with Google Drive and those options, but it seems like it's not the case. So that's why I decided to make this video. I'm going to include in the description quick links to those websites and to Google Drive as well. So you can just go click on those links and open whatever account or download whatever software you need and get going. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Let me know about your experience. If you have anything else that you use, let me know as well. I would like to hear about it.